Hello everyone. Today we'll be talking about the problem bisection method. The problem is about this: finding the root of x cubed minus x minus 1 equals 0. We have to find the root up to 2 decimal places. For this, first we have to take the equation as a function of x. I written it wrong. So function of x equal x cubed minus x minus 1. Now we have to choose x equals 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 dot 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 now function of 0 cube minus 0 minus 1. We've calculated it came negative. After that, function of 1 cube minus 1 minus 1 also negative. After that, function of 2 equals 2 cube minus 2 minus 1 equals 5. This one comes positive. So since this function of 1 is negative and this function of 2 is positive, are of opposite sides, so there exists at least one root lies between 1 and 2. Now first iteration, let x0 equal 1 by 2 by 2 equal 1.5. Function of 1.5, the function was x cubed minus x minus 1. We are putting 1.5 into the function instead of x, so we get 1.5 cube minus 1.5 minus 1. Overall the answer will be 0.875. This is the positive. So there where you can see function of 2 where the positive value. Okay, now we again get the positive value. That's why these 2 would be replaced by this 1.5. Then it will be, hence the root lies between 1 and 1.5. Clear? I guess so. After that, second iteration, same process, summation, then divided by 2. It will be 1.25. Then again putting this into the function x cubed minus x minus 1, it becomes a negative 1. Hence the root lies between 1.25 and 1.5. Now 1.25, the previous one was 1, which has the negative value. You can see here function of 1 is the negative value. That's why negative value, it doesn't change, negative. After that it became positive. So third iteration would be 1.25 and 1.5. Now again we do this. We found this one was positive, then their root lies between 1.375 because the positive one changed. That's why 1.5 will be changed. Instead of 1.5 we will return 1.375. After that 1.25 will be remain the same because this one negative. We'll continue the process of negative, positive, negative, positive. It will happen, and after that, fourth iteration was completed, fifth iteration was completed, sixth iteration was completed. Same process, seventh iteration was completed, eighth iteration was completed, and the ninth iteration was completed. After completing ninth iteration, we take the question the two decimal places. You can see it will be end very soon. If I x1 3 to 8, we can write is 1.33. There wouldn't be taken 1.33. After that it is 320, which is 1.32. After that it is 324, which is 1.32. So I don't think this iteration is needed. The solution would be end here cos the 1.2 and 1.2 we got the same. That's why we have to stop the iteration, and this 1.2 is the root of the equation. Thank you for watching.